In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Elementor theme in WordPress. Whether you're upgrading to a more stylish design or simply want to refresh your website's look, changing your theme can be an exciting process. However, it's crucial to proceed with care to protect your existing content and layout. Let's get started with the first step. Before we dive into changing the theme, it's essential to prepare and back up your website. Think of this as your security blanket. Use a reliable backup plugin like Updraft Plus. This will ensure that all your hard work, including content and layout, is safeguarded against any hiccups during the theme change. If you've spent time customizing your site through theme files, widgets, or CSS, now is the time to export those customizations. You can use a plugin such as Widget Importer and Exporter for widgets. Or, if you prefer, you can manually copy your custom code. This way, you'll have all your unique elements at your fingertips should you need to reapply them after changing the theme. Once everything is backed up, it's time to install and activate your new theme. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, look for Appearance on the sidebar, and click on Themes, then Add New. Here, you'll find a bunch of theme options, but a few popular ones are Hello Elementor, Astra, GeneratePress, and Ocean WP. These are all solid choices, especially for users of Elementor. Just search for your desired theme, install it, and then hit the Activate button to set it live on your site. A quick tip: Elementor is known to function seamlessly with lightweight themes like Hello Elementor. Choosing such a theme helps you avoid any potential visual conflicts or unnecessary restrictions. Now that your new theme is active, it's time to move on to transitioning your layouts using Elementor's Theme Builder. If you happen to use Elementor Pro, you have a handy tool at your disposal. Navigate to the Templates section and then Theme Builder. Here, you can either build new templates or reassign existing ones for crucial elements like the header, footer, post archive, and single post. Be sure to utilize the Display Conditions panel to specify where each template should appear throughout your site. This step helps ensure a smooth and cohesive look across all pages. However, if you're using the free version of Elementor, you might need to roll up your sleeves and rebuild some pages manually using the Elementor editor. This includes creating new layouts for featured pages or simply updating existing ones. Another approach is to replicate layouts by using templates or sections you saved before changing themes. This can save time and maintain a consistent look across your web pages. By following these clear and detailed steps, you'll be able to change your Elementor theme smoothly, keeping your website looking great and functioning well. Enjoy your new theme and the fresh look it brings to your site.